Alright, here we go. Number 1 says log 3x plus log 9 equals 0. You put that together, it's log 27x equals 0. There's a 10 there. 10 to the 0 is 27x. 10 to the 0 is 1. Divide by 27. What do you get when you divide by 27? This one's off. Who's got one that works? I'll hand you one of those. I got 0.037, which is 0.04, which is B. Number 2, natural log of 2 plus the natural log of x is equal to 5. Natural logs follow the same rules that logs do, so that's the natural log of 2x equals 5. The base of the natural log is e. E to the 5th equals 2x. That one won't work. I'll keep grabbing that one. Let's put that in here. Oh, not e to the 2x. E to the 5th is 148.4, and then you're going to divide it by 2. We get 74.2, which is B. Number 3, solve natural log of x minus natural log of 6 equals 0. It's natural log of x over 6 equals 0. Subtraction translates into division. The base is e. E to the 0 equals x over 6. So we go to our calculator. E to the 0 is 1, like everything else. And then you need to multiply it by 6. So this answer is 6. Number 4.
Wait, so it's A? Or
Yes, it's A. Number 4 says write in logarithmic form so you have to put numbers in those 3 spots. The 4 goes here, the 3 goes here, and the 64 goes there. 5, you're going to write log of 125 to the 4/3 power equals 625. 6, evaluate the logarithm. It says log base 5 of 1 over 125 equals x. Going to drag the 5 over and pick up the x. 5 to the x power is 1 over 125. So this is going to be negative 2. Not negative 2. Negative 3. 5 to the negative 3rd power is 125. You could go to your calculator and go to math and go down to log base and just enter that in. Seven, log base 3 of 9. We can put that in our calculator. And the answer there is 2. 8, it says log 0.01. What's the base here when it's not written? And we get negative 2 for that answer. Number 9. Number 9 says log of 32, 8 equals 3/5. Write in exponential form. 32 to the 3/5 power is equal to 8. 10, log base 5 of 16. minus log base 5 of 4 equals log base 5 of 4. State the property. Well, we know that this is really log base 5 of 16 over 4, and that is the quotient. 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 Is that how you spell quotient? 11 says, I can't read that really well. It says log base 5 of 3 plus log base 5 of 2 equals log base 5 of 6. This is product. 12 says 2 log base or log 6 plus log of 1/3 equals log of 12. You're going to put the 2 back on the 6. And then you're going to have 36 times 1/3, which is 12. And that use two rules here. We use the power and we use the product. Write the expression as a single logarithm. 7 log base b of t plus 8 log base b of t. No, that's x. You're going to put the 7 back on the t and the 8 back on the x. So this is log base b of t to the 7th plus log base b of x to the 8th. When you multiply, it's log base b of t to the 7th x to the 8th. 14 says log base 2 of 10 minus log base 2 of 2. Subtraction translates into division. That is log base 2 of 10 over 2, which is log base 2 of 5. 15, 4 log x minus 6 log of x plus 2. The 4 goes on the x. The 6 goes on the x plus 2. Log of x to the 4th minus log of x plus 2 to the 4th. Then it translates into division. That's 15. Any questions so far? How are y'all doing? Okay, 16. Expand the logarithm. It says log base 6 of c over 12. There's a c, right? You're going to translate division into subtraction. Log base 6 of c minus log base 6 of 12. 17. Log base 9 of 6 plus log base 9 of a to the 4th. Log base 9 of 6 plus 4 log base 9 of a. The exponent pulls over in front of that log. So we use the power and the product rule here. 18 log base 5 of the square root of 57 over 74. That's like having log base 5 of 57 over 74 to the 1/2 power. That 1/2 needs to come off there, and it's going to go over in front of the whole thing.
Where'd you get 5? It's B.
Is it B? Oh, I can't, because I can't read it. I have to break down where the glass is one of these days. 1/2, and I'm going to put it in brackets. Okay, log base B of 57 minus log base B of 74. You could distribute the 1/2 and have 1/2 log base B of 57 minus 1/2 log base B of 74. 19, use the properties of logarithms to evaluate. Log base 3 of 9 plus log base 3 of 36 minus log base 3 of 4. So we're going to put this all back together in one logarithm. So it's going to be log base 3 of 9 times 36 over 4. Addition translates into multiplication. multiplication, subtraction translates into division. So what do we get here? Is this log base 3 of 81? Must set that equal to 0. 3 to what power is 81? Or you can put it in as a log base. 3 to the 4th is 81. X is 4. Or you could go down and go to log base. And you have 3 to the 81st power, which is 4. 20. Solve. Log of 2x plus 6 equals 3. It's got a base of 10. 10 to the 3rd power equals 2x plus 6. You're just solving the equation. 10 to the 3rd is 1,000. Subtract the 6. 994 equals 2x. Divide by 2. X is 497. 21 says solve, and it says 3 log 2x equals 4. The 3 goes back on the... It's actually an exponent for both of these. It says log of 2x cubed equals 4. So x, no, that's not x, that's 10. 10 to the 4th equals 2x all cubed. You've got to cube both parts. 10 to the 4th is 10,000. It's 8x cubed. Divide by 8. I don't think 10,000 will divide by 8, will it? Yes, it will. 1250 equals x cubed. Take the square, no, cube root of each side. What number will go into 1250 that's a perfect cube? How about 125? 10 times. So this is 5 cube roots of 10 for number 21. Questions? 22. 2 natural log of 5 plus 6 natural log of x. Write this as a single natural logarithm. So this is the natural log of 5 squared plus the natural log of x to the 6th, which is the natural log of 5 squared times x to the 6th, which is the natural log of 25x to the 6th. 23. 2 natural log of x minus 3 natural log of c. Natural log of x squared minus natural log of c cubed. Looks like that. And the natural log of e to the 3rd power, I'm just going to put that in a calculator. And the answer is 3.